Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to tell you Christmas around the world, different Christmas decorations from other countries. Everyone has their favorite Christmas traditions to feel the holiday spirit. In the United States, popular Christmas decorations include ornaments on the Christmas tree, strings of lights on the outside of homes, and stockings by the fireplace. All around the world, countries that celebrate Christmas have their own customs and traditions for decorating. From carving vegetables to pickle ornaments, these are some of the popular Christmas traditions around the world. Cobwebbed Christmas trees, Ukraine. An Eastern European folk tale tells the story of a poor who lived in a small hut with a dirt floor. One summer day, a pine cone fell onto the hut's floor, and the children cared for it, hoping to grow a Christmas tree by winter. The tree grew in time, but the family could not afford any decorations for it. On Christmas morning, they found the tree covered in cobwebs. When they opened the windows, sunlight poured in and turned the webs into gold and silver. The widow and her family were full of joy and were never poor again. While spiders and their webs associate with Halloween, Ukrainians decorate their Christmas trees with spider ornaments or webs. They believe that finding a spider or web in your tree is good luck, and it's said that the tradition of using tinsel on a tree stemmed from the folk tale. Night of the Radishes, Mexico. Forget carving pumpkins for Halloween. Carving radishes for Christmas is all the rage in the Mexican city of Oaxaca. Each year on December 23, the city hosts a large Christmas market where wood carvers would sell their creations. Farmers at the market noticed the popularity of the carvings and started making their own intricate figurines out of radishes. In 1897, the then mayor officially declared the date as La Noche de Rabanos, Night of the Radishes, and the carvings feature nativity scenes, Mayan motifs, and local wildlife. Christmas pickle, Germany. Ever see a pickle ornament at a store and wonder what a pickle's got to do with Christmas? It's supposedly a German tradition to hide a pickle in the Christmas tree and challenge children to find pickle on Christmas Eve. The first child to find it wins an extra gift. However, hardly any native Germans know this tradition, let alone practice it. It's likely that the Christmas pickle really started with major retailers fabricating this tradition to get rid of leftover pickle ornaments. After all, the Germans imported flag ornaments. So guys, mango trees, India, one of the most recognized symbol of Christmas, the traditional Christmas tree in an evergreen with ornaments, garlands and lights. But for warmer countries where firs, spruces and pines are hard to come by, they use some improvisation. In India, families who celebrate Christmas will decorate mango or banana trees. Many will bring mango leaves into their homes to decorate too. Decorated ships, Greece. Known for its deep blue seas, Greece prides itself in the history of seafaring adventures. When sailors would return home, families celebrated by decorating their ships. With the introduction of Christmas, especially the lights and decorations, the Greek infused this custom known as karavika as a holiday So guys, I really hope that you really like all the Christmas decorations that I shared with you. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. In my next video, I will show you many other Christmas decoration ideas in completely different ways. So hop into my magical sleigh and take a trip into the past to see how to display Christmas decorations in completely different ways year after year. I am a big believer in using what you have and getting creative with decorating, as well as saving money by not having to buy tons of new decorations every year. I am excited to show you that you need to buy new Christmas decorations every year. By looking at your stuff in a new light, you can reuse what you already have and get a So guys, in this video you will see different decorating ideas for Christmas. You will see very amazing and very pretty different decorations in different style. I made these edible with gingerbread houses or different centerpieces for your home decor. You must try this at home and let me know in comment section. Thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. If you have any request, please let me know in comment section. If you go below, you will see many other different videos related to Christmas and other crafts that you will love it. I really hope that you were enjoying my videos. If you have any new request or if you want to see anything else, please let me know in comment section. I will upload a video which want to you see. So guys, bye bye. Take care of yourself. Please take care of your family. Take care of your parents and enjoy your days, holidays with your friends, family members, with your parents, and don't go anywhere. Keep supporting me and keep watching my video. I really hope that you also love this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and also share my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thank you so much guys. Love you all. Bye bye.